they occupy an office, then they become emperors, and then they can do whatever. They behave like mini gods. But this, what is happening now, is a strong signal to Nigerians that, look, we must watch, we must wake up, we must be careful, we must be alert to our responsibility of deciding, making the appropriate choice of who governs us. And that is why we say that whether if whatever happens, whether this emergency rule is reversed or not, it has sent a very strong message to Nigerians to say that Nigerians must wake up. And for we in the civil society, what it also means to us is that we must strengthen our mobilization and organizing of the civil society in preparation for the future. We are not going to take the laws into our hands. We are law-abiding citizens. We are going to work according to law and the Constitution, constitutional provisions, but we are going to do that and ensure that this kind of Nigeria is taken back to the citizens of Nigeria, and that the rule of law must be the guiding principles of governance. And so whether they take it back or they don't take it back, it's going to strengthen our organization and mobilization strategy for the future. And this future is very, very close. Thank you. Thank you.